Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add Bitcoin US dollars right here to MetaTrader 5. The thing that you need to know that if you go right here to File, open an account, and then let's say we do FTMO and we do next, log in with your account, and then when you link a broker to MetaTrader 5, he will automatically know that you can trade in Bitcoin and then you can find Bitcoin. Right now, without a broker, it's not possible to find Bitcoin because if you click here on click to add and we search right here for BTC, you see that it's just about stocks. And this is the BTC for Grayscale Bitcoin Mini Trust. So it's not possible to trade directly Bitcoin. So for that, you need to use a broker, and there is plenty of brokers that you can use. So check out a nice broker, use that broker, connect it with going to File, open an account, search for your broker, and then do next. And then fill in here your login and password. And then you can buy right there Bitcoin US dollar. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.